Today, September 26, 2025. My novena to Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, which began after September 21, 2025, United Nations Day, when Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus promised me that she will guide and bless me so I can travel alone to France for my welcome project to the new Philippine ambassador to France, His Excellency Ambassador Eduardo Jose A. de Vega. And now I am here with my dear beloved Saint Padre Pio, the patron saint of the First United Travel Incorporated, through the help of my beloved Olivia Herrera, because in the sacred prophetic covenant marker of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., this sacred prophetic covenant marker of the President is inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, and Saint Padre Pio on September 23, 2023, the very feast day of Saint Padre Pio. And so my compatriots in the Philippines and the world. And above all, to my host in Nice, France, Sir Rommel C. Balistoy of the Nice, France chapter of the International Order of the Knights of Rizal. Thank you for hosting me. Thank you for accepting my stay there for my welcome project to the new Philippine ambassador to France. And above all, I would like to immortalize the Philippine-France Republic, Philippine-France Sacred Prophetic Relation, the Embassy of France in the Philippines, led by the Sacred Prophetic, His Excellency Ambassador Marie Fontanel. So, oh heavens, thank you for this day. I know that Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, her feast day is on October 1, 2025. This is my Thanksgiving offering. Together with all the nations of the world I reach through Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, our ancestors, saints and heroes. Because Saint Teresa told me, my mission is to proclaim every Filipino as a saint and hero, hero and saint. Amen.
Nag-alert.